Hi guys, first of all, happy Diwali to you and your family. I hope you are doing great and enjoying this festival of Diwali. Diwali symbolizes spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. This Diwali, let's celebrate with lots of diyas, keeping it green, and eating nice delicacies, wearing nice clothes, getting ready with wearing goods, traditional clothes. So in today's tutorial, I have created this traditional look, soft glam, which anyone can make for any festival. This look that I have created using a mix of high-end and the drugstore products, which is available everywhere. This complete look I have created using a very simple step, and I hope you would love this and you will enjoy this watching this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. Whenever I post new video, you will get notified. And without further ado, let's begin. First of all, I'm going to prep my skin with this MAC Fix Plus. For moisturizer, I'm using Bay Leaf Cream. Its water-like consistency gives you literally a nice hydration. I'm going to use a strawberry lip balm to prep my lips. Next, I'm going to be using a Smashbox primer to hide out any pores which are visible and give her like really nice canvas. I'm going to apply this to my T-zones, on my nose, under my eyes. You can see how supple the skin looks like. Any fine lines, any giving light contour, not very dark. I'm using Makeup Revolution's concealer in the shade C6 just to give that bright effect. I'm going to just bake my face until I finish my eye look. I am using PAC translucent powder in the shade number TL04. This is like a banana powder. Now I'm going to start filling my brows with this faux color brow pencil. Now I have done with my eyebrows. So now next step I will be starting with my eye look using a Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette, which I had bought this 3 months ago, but still it was on the way to me. So yeah, and these are the beautiful shades that I'm going to be using to create today's festive look. To create my eye looks, I'm going to be using a Jaclyn Hill and as well as the Morphe 35B palette. I'll be taking this shade, which is right here, with my Sigma E38. Whatever concealer is there, I'm going to just dab that so that there are no creases and I using the shade Pale, I'm going to just set the concealer on my eyes well so that it is ready to apply the next colors. I'm using the shade for my just above my crease to give a nice fade shade. And I'm just going into the swiping motion. I'll take little bit of this shade just into my transition, just to give a little highlight. With the help of angular brush, and just make my the corner of the eyes little dense. Now I'm taking PAC 186 to apply the shade into the inner corner of my lids. I'm just going to softly dab this green color on my eyelids. With the same brush, I'm taking this shimmer shade and I'll pack that onto my matte green shade which I have applied. I'll take this smudger brush, pencil smudger brush, and I'm going to just smudge out any harsh lines between the two colors. Next I'll take this little shimmer. I'm just going to give a nice line. Next I'm taking PAC Cosmetics eyeliner in black 01. It's a nice creamy eyeliner. The lipstick I've used is MAC. Captive. Let me just get ready and I'll be back.